Once upon a time, in a quiet village in India, there lived a young man named Ravi. Ravi dreamed of working in a big city and speaking fluent English. He watched people on TV speak smoothly and confidently, and he wanted to be just like them. Every day, Ravi would sit under a tree with an old English grammar book. But the book was difficult. It had long, complex words, and he couldn't understand most of it. "I'll never speak English," he often sighed. "It's too hard." One day, an old man named Mr. Sharma walked by and saw Ravi struggling. Mr. Sharma was a retired teacher who had taught English for 40 years. "Why are you so sad, Ravi?" he asked kindly. "I want to speak English, but I can't remember all these big words." "It's confusing," Ravi replied. Mr. Sharma smiled. "Let me tell you a story." He pointed to a small garden nearby. "See that mango tree? I planted it 15 years ago. At first, it was just a seed. I watered it daily, gave it sunlight, and protected it from animals. It didn't grow fast, but slowly it became strong and started giving fruit." Ravi nodded. "Learning English is the same," said Mr. Sharma. "Start with the small seeds. Simple words like hello, how are you, I'm fine. Learn the present tense, past tense, and future. Use those basics in your daily life. Speak a little every day." Inspired, Ravi followed his advice. He stopped worrying about sounding perfect. Instead, he began to speak simple sentences. "This is my pen. I go to school. Yesterday I watched a movie." Over time, Ravi improved. He started talking to shopkeepers in English, then his friends. He watched children's cartoons with English subtitles. Slowly his confidence grew. A year later, Ravi gave a short speech in English at the village school. Everyone clapped. Mr. Sharma smiled from the back of the room. "See, all it took was a few small seeds and daily care. Start small. Speak simple. Every big tree grows from a tiny seed. The basics are your roots. Grow them strong."